Dear students, today we learn polynomials part 2. In previous class, we understood about polynomials and zeros. Okay, a polynomial is an algebraic expression, but variables power only non-negative integers, and a number said to be zeros of any polynomial if we put the value in place of variables, then polynomial makes zero. It means जीरो वह राशि होती है जिसे किसी भी पोलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल के प्लेस पर हम रखते हैं तो उस वैल्यू पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू को वो जीरो बना देता है. एंड टुडे we verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Now, for example, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Now, let px is equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. For the zeros of px is equal to 0, and in place of px is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. Write in general form 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solve by splitting middle term. Splitting method. In splitting middle term, divide in two parts. Addition and subtraction is minus 7x, but multiply is equal to the multiply of first and third term. And look at this, multiply of first and third term is 18 minus 18x square. So minus 7 divide into part in this type, minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Look at this, minus 7 9x plus 2x, that means minus 7, and multiply minus 9 into 2 is minus 18. So taking the common first two term, and you know very well 3x is common, so 3 to the 6 and x remain here, and 3 3 is 9. Another term 1 is common, then 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So we get two factor, 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. The polynomial px will be 0 if px minus 3 equal to 0. So, if 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 upon 2, or 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then 3x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 upon 3. So 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of, so 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now find the relationship between zeros and coefficient also. So the relation of coefficient at 0 So sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x term upon coefficient of x square term. So sum of 0 first to 0, then 3 by 2 plus minus 1 upon 3 is equal to coefficient of minus x term. That means we can write also minus b upon a. Okay. So taking the LCM, 3 to the 6, 6 divided by 2, 9 minus 2 is equal to minus b upon a, or minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So 7 upon 6 and minus b upon a. LHS and RHS both are same because minus b's value is 7 and a's value is 6. So verify that, and product of zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square term. Product of 0, 3 upon 2 multiply by minus 1 upon 3, and constant term, look at this, constant term is minus 3 and a is what, 6. So minus 3 upon 6 equal to minus 3 upon 6. LHS equal to RHS. Then verify. Okay, this is the 7 upon 6. And LHS equal to RHS. Now we can take another example. T square minus 15. PT is equal to T square minus 15 for the 0 of zeros of PT. PFT, put PT is equal to 0. So PT is T square minus 15 equal to 0. Now T square minus 15 solved by identity. A square minus B square equal to A plus B and A minus B. We can use here identity A square minus B square equal to A plus B and A minus B. Then T square minus 15 write in the form of under root 15 square equal to 0. So right now T plus under root 15 and T minus under root 15 equal to 0. So T plus under root 15 equal to 0. Then T is equal to minus under root 15 or T minus under root 15 equal to 0. Then T is equal to under root 15. Then, so the zeros of T square minus 15 are minus under root 15 and under root 15. Now relation sum of zeros is equal to coefficient minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of x square term. And sum of first zero is minus under root 15, that means alpha, and this is beta. We can write also here alpha plus beta. So minus under root 15 plus under root 15 and coefficient of x term, coefficient of t term, because the form of polynomial in the variable t. So coefficient of t term is not available here, that means 0. So in place of coefficient of t term is 0 and coefficient of t square term is 1, and minus 15 plus 15 is 0, 0 equal to 0, this is verified. And product of zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x t square term. So product of 0 minus under root 15 multiply under root 15 equal to constant term is minus 15 and 1, this is minus 15 equal to minus 15, also verified.